What's up, dudes? Look at my hair. So, what's up, dudes? I was just watching this thing where they were talking about how Candace Owens thinks somebody has put a curse on Charlie Kirk. So Spirit said, let's talk about it. Let's talk about that idea. So I think what we have to remember is a lot of times people whose ego is running the whole show will believe in anything except my own behavior brought this upon me with karma. So they will resort to they put a curse on me. Now, there's a very good chance that somebody could have put a curse on Charlie Kirk. He said a lot of things that people did not like. But there's also a chance that he's just playing out karma that he can't transcend in every life. Because a lot of things that was coming out of his mouth was spiritually inept. So it kind of leads to the discussion of a paradigm shift. So a lot of times people, who's this message for? A lot of times to the privileged, and it's not all privileged, but a lower vibrational privileged Capricorn. Let's take 3 signs. Virgo, and one more. There it is, Aries. A lot of times equal rights can feel like oppression to the privileged, when all it is equal rights. So we're stepping away from what happened to Charlie Kirk, talking about this lesson. A lot of times the privileged can feel like they're having rights taken away from them. But in reality, everybody's just having equal rights. So people that deserve to have the same experience that the privileged have had, the privileged could get butthurt and say, they're coming for all our stuff. No, they're just getting equal rights. And the privileged can also get butthurt when they get treated like everybody else without their privilege, what privilege can do for them. So that's a lesson for the privileged to transcend. Have they come for your rights, or are they just getting equal rights as you have always had? Are you getting oppressed, or are you just having to be treated the same way as the 99%? It's called equal rights. And the privileged often mistake equal rights for their own oppression. All right? So that's the lesson. Okay? I'm looking right here at the picture cards. Let's take 3 picture cards. What does Spirit want to show? Capricorn, Virgo, and Aries. When you've been VIP all the time, and all of a sudden everybody else gets to participate, yeah, you could say they're coming for my VIP rights. No, you just have to be treated like everyone else. Okay. Next one. VIP might mean something. Okay, here's a whole storyline. This is the card for the Wheel of Fortune for me. I'm looking at these numbers. After the wheel turns, somebody has an aha moment. This is my card for the masculine. And final message. This is my card for the feminine. All right. What animal does Spirit want to show Capricorn, Virgo, and Aries? What animal? Because, yeah. I hear because it's equal rights is what it is. Crow and wolf. All right. And what's the final message from the Grace Oracle? I see beauty. Surround yourself with simple pleasures. Beauty is the language of the divine. All right. What's the final message from the Grace Oracle? Love. This is the person who's going over the waterfall of love. Share your heart. To love another is the ultimate expression of grace. So I have a reading where I just went to the local waterfalls here. It's called Minnehaha Falls in the Twin Cities. It's right in the middle of our urban Twin Cities of Minneapolis. It's in South Minneapolis. And I did a whole video where I kind of showed, I hear water people. Yeah, we're water people here. And so maybe Spirit wants us to watch that video. There's also a video where the man goes over the waterfall of love. That's how I channeled it. A kayak might mean something. And so what it is right after a big storm, the Minnehaha Falls was all swollen. The creek was swollen and all sorts of flooding had happened. Somebody might have had a huge tsunami of emotions overtake them. And then they decided, I'm going to be in love. And so how it is shown is through this one video clip. M&M might mean something. And the man is kayaking down the creek, and then there's the chain, and this is totally illegal to do. The safety chain because the falls are coming. And it shows him, and Spirit said the whole message was about love. And it shows him holding on to the chain, and the song is playing. And there's a whole message. And then finally, he surrenders. He goes under the chain, he lets go, and he goes over Minnehaha Falls in his kayak. And it's caught on video. And so I'm going to put that video. I can't link it in. It's not shareable, that specific video. So I will copy and paste it in the comment section. And Spirit wants you to watch that. And I will also copy and paste the video of when I went to the falls and showed everybody. Share your heart. To love another is the ultimate expression of grace. All right, there's the message.